Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and there's no question that this is the stock of the day, VRPX. So, nothing really happened in the pre-market. I shouldn't say that. There's at 9 o'clock. I guess there was some pre-market. Actually, there's a lot of pre-market activity in this one. I was thinking about another one. So this is just before the market opened. It had this big pop. It had some news, okay, and so. The bottom line is that this is a little bit difficult to trade because it only has 2 million shares in the float. But this was making an all-time high. It pulled back, and there were a few people in the room that were talking about in fact, Real was one of them, talking about the VWAP, which is about 838. I was waiting on a 10 break. Now, I traded this one earlier, got out of it, and but then I was saying to the room, if this takes out 10, even though it looks like it's a chase, it's just such a psychological number that I think a lot of people are just going to hop into it, and that is exactly what happened. Just a little over 10, and it got up to almost 13, and it's still going. It still has no stop in it. It's an all-time high, so there's no chart resistance whatsoever. But absolutely the stock of the day. If you were in the room, we were talking about it, right from here, right from about 9 o'clock on. And what time is it right now? We're talking 3 hours. So haven't seen one like this for a while, guys. One that just keeps going and going and going and going. And where it's going to go, I have no idea. But a lot of us are in this one, and I got to get back into the room and make sure I manage this. I don't want to get trapped on its way down. So if you're in the room, if you have not been in our trading room, come on in. It's a free room. And if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address right here. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.